New York ride, no one.
What's up, everybody? This is Tracy Lee. I'm at Mad Winwood down in Miami, Florida. We are having a crazy time here with Marshmallow, with Gary Vee.
NFTs.TIPS, baby! What we got? Let's go! NFTs, baby! You see the hair first? Look at this! Look at this! Oh, I can't even show you it. Oh.
Well, guys, it's that time again. And if you missed us last year, don't make the same mistake. NFTs.TIPS is coming to Miami once again. And you know what that means. The party's coming with us. Click the link below and download our NFTs.TIPS itinerary to find out where all the exclusive parties are going down. If you miss out this time, hey, you can't blame me. I told you.
Thank you, Gary Vee. This is awesome. Gary Vee, ice cream. Ice cream.